Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem for Instagram username not available. For example, you search a random person but you didn't find the name of the person. Or the second example, you can see that when you are making an account on Instagram, you may face the problem of username not available. Now I am going to show you or tell you the reasons behind it. There you can see, if you try to change the username, you can see the option the username is not available. Again you can see that username is not available. The reason behind is that this username is already captured by another person, or the other reasons maybe Instagram blocked this username or delete this account. So there is no way to fix this problem. Only way to fix this is to find a unique name that is available. So don't waste your time to fix this. I hope you can understand my explanation. If you have any question, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.